Hello and welcome to today's video where we'll be discussing how you can copy and paste YouTube Shorts and earn money in 2023. As you may know, YouTube Shorts is a popular feature on the platform that allows users to create and upload short-form videos that are 60 seconds or less. And with the rise of TikTok and other social media platforms, short-form videos have become increasingly popular among users and content creators alike. So, how can you copy and paste YouTube Shorts and earn money from them? Well, it's actually quite simple. All you need to do is find popular shorts that are performing well on the platform and repost them on your own channel. Of course, you'll need to make sure you're not infringing on any copyrights or violating any YouTube policies. But if you're careful and strategic in your approach, you can potentially earn a lot of money by reposting popular shorts. Here's how it works. When you repost a popular short, you can add your own commentary or branding to the video to make it unique. You can also add relevant hashtags and optimize the video's metadata to make it more discoverable to users. Then, as people watch and engage with your reposted shorts, you can earn money through YouTube's monetization features such as ads, sponsorships, and affiliate marketing. It's important to note that while copying and pasting popular content can be a quick and easy way to earn money, it's not a sustainable long-term strategy. You'll want to focus on creating original content and building a loyal audience over time. But if you're just starting out on YouTube and looking for a way to earn some extra income, copying and pasting popular shorts can be a great way to get your foot in the door and start building your channel. So there you have it. That's how you can copy and paste YouTube Shorts and earn money in 2023. As always, make sure to follow YouTube's guidelines and policies, and put in the hard work and dedication to build a successful channel over time. Thanks for watching and we'll see you in the next video.